In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam ID through two different methods. First, let's start by opening the Steam app on your computer. If you don't have the desktop application, you can download it from the Steam website. Once the app is open, the next step is to log into your account. You'll need to click on the login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the application. If you're new to Steam, you'll need to create an account first. For those who already have an account, simply enter your account name and password in the provided fields. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure and never share them with anyone. After entering your details, proceed by clicking Sign In. This action will direct you to your Steam homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see your profile name. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Account Details. In this section, you'll find various pieces of information related to your Steam account. Just below your account name, you'll see your Steam ID displayed clearly. It's a unique string of numbers assigned to your account, and it's essential for activities like adding friends or linking your account to other services. Now, for the alternative method, let's return to your profile by once again clicking on your profile name in the top menu. This time, choose View My Profile from the drop-down options. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button, which is usually on the right side of your screen. Clicking this button will take you to the profile editing section. Here, you'll want to focus on the option labeled Custom URL. This feature allows you to create a personalized link for your Steam profile. Below the custom URL field, you'll find a long string of numbers, which is your Steam ID. If you haven't set a custom URL, this number will be displayed in the link provided there. So there you have it, two straightforward methods for locating your Steam ID. Whether you need it for a game, sharing with friends, or just for your own records, now you know exactly where to find it. Remember, your Steam ID is specific to your account and helps maintain security and individuality in the Steam community. Feel free to explore both methods and use the one that seems more convenient for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and have a great time gaming.